Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload the files to your Zotero account. So once you have a Zotero account, guys, then all you have to do is just simply click in the web library here. So once you click on that, it's going to take you over to the library where you can upload files, and you'll be taken straight under where you have the library and you also have my publications, trash, and so forth, right? So you just want to click on the library. Then on the upper left hand side of this little section here, you will have the plus button. You can click on that. You have a bunch of options here, right? Click on the upload file, and once you do that, you'll be able to have whatever file it is that you have. So if you have a PDF file or whatever, you can click it. You can also upload images, whatever it is that you can upload to it. So as you can see, I quickly upload a PDF file here, and I can click on that PDF file and you can relate to it and so forth. So you can use it to store whatever you want, right? So go ahead and upload your files there. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you easily upload a file on Zotero. And that's it. In case you want to upload a lot of files there in it, or folders, or whatever it might be that you want to upload, guys, you want to go ahead and keep track of your storage to see how far you are. You can easily go ahead and identify your storage by simply clicking upgrade to the right hand side, upgrade settings. And this doesn't mean that you're going to upgrade right away, but it's going to show you how much you have used up, how much files it is, and you can keep track of the storage right here on the left hand side, as you can see. So I just upload one file and it just shows that I used just about a 0.1 megabyte there, and yeah, you'll be able to track how far it is. And you can always go ahead and purge it to free up space, or you can always go ahead and upgrade at a later point in time if you really need more space there. But that's how you go ahead and upload a file, guys, on Zotero. Very easy and very simple.